guys, today I order a very special thing. Guess what it is? I order a kitty from e-commerce site. So we are going to unboxing about this kitten. So let us start. Oh, look at him. He is so cute. And he has brown eyes. And with grey fur, he is a Persian cat. I'm going to name him Jerry. He is a male cat. Oh, look at his meowing. So cute. OMG. What a cutie. Want to see his face? Oh, look at him. Do you guys like him? He is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh. He is going out.